Guess what I just got for my bike? Woo! What's going on, guys? Dag back out here doing what we always do. We got the LV-10 exhaust, LV-10 carbon. This is going to be replacing the stock muffler. It's going to be replacing the stock exhaust on this bike. I have been wanting to get rid of this exhaust since the very beginning, but I just never really saw it fit, and I just did a whole bunch of other upgrades, mods, accessories. So this is going to act as like a accessories update 2 video. I'm going to do a quick exhaust install on this bike right here, and I will set my phone up, whatever, so you guys can see me do it, and I'll do a before and after on how this bike sounds. All right, guys, keep in mind this is a cold start. Haven't rubbed the bike since yesterday. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna put this exhaust on the bike and I will be right back. Alright guys, I just got done putting the LV-10 on the bike. Oh my god, it looks so much better. It matches the red on the bike too, and the carbon fiber looks, woo! Looks so good. Just gonna wipe the pipes over with some of this MPPL by Maxima, and we should be good. It's probably harder to hear me now since I got my helmet on, but the exhaust is on, guys. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. But how does it sound? Sounds amazing. It's already warmed up out of the way. I rode it for like 5 minutes earlier, so give it some rest. You thought it was thunder? Insanely loud, boys. I'm going to take this out for a ride, guys, but that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. This was a really fun process, and I'm so happy I got it. It's so much louder, and it sounds a hell of a lot nicer. Remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy life, guys. See you all in the next video, and till then, guys, I will see you. Woo!